Ice maker not working. Ice shut-off arm seems stuck on off position.
When did you last replace your ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
Replaced year ago. Ice maker 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Going on about 2 months. Just messes with.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
It started working on its own about 2 years ago, then quit again.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your ice maker. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing. If your ice maker arm is sticking, you can use a hairdryer and thaw out the ice maker to make sure it's clear and not jammed by ice in the head or anything like that. Other than that, the ice maker would just need to be replaced. There is no other reason that the shut-off arm would be stuck in the off position other than the ice maker failing, or stalled out due to ice buildup. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
Well, we'll see how the blower works. At least that's more than I could think of. Thanks for responding quickly with your advice.
No problem, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.